Hey guys, I hope you had a nice weekend. We are back to work for week number 2, and I want to show you what we're working on today. So as always, we log in through Clever, and we go to our class, which I'll go to Red Class, and we click on Google Classroom. That's how we should always access our class. And then we go to the classwork section, and we have Intro to Personal Finance. So we are working on assignment number 3 today. So let's go ahead and open that up. All right, so as we always do, we want to log into Ramsey Classroom. And when we get logged in, again, mine looks a little bit different than yours. Intro to Personal Finance, and we are on to section 2, Money the American Way. So this one's a little bit longer, so obviously I'm going to give you more time in class today to go through. So again, we're going to go through each part. We're going to read Dave's story, listen to his story, and then when we get to the journal question, we will go back to Google Classroom and we'll go into, so we're into the journal question doc, and there's 2 journal questions, and you'll go ahead and complete that. All right, so again, make sure that you finish, you get green checks next to all of this here, and that you do all the quizzes because those count. And if you don't do well on the quiz, you want to retake, just shoot me a message, hit me up on Zoom. I will be here. All right. So we'll turn that in Google Classroom, and we're good to go. All right, guys.